English Hungarian, go, past, I went.
mentem,
Welcome. Welcome. This mini lesson is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to have some fun while you learn Hungarian? Great to have you here. Grab your imaginary passport, because we're going places. If your shoes could talk, they'd already be shouting.
menni,
Today, you'll master the past of go, so next time someone asks what happened yesterday, you won't just go silent, you'll go past. Your goal today. You'll nail the most useful past forms of go, and say them with confidence. I went.
mentem,
You went, singular.
mentél,
He went.
elment,
She went.
elment,
It went.
ment,
You went, plural.
ti mentetek,
They went.
mentek,
Base form, to go.
menni,
Forms in a flash. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and smiley. I went.
mentem,
You went.
mentél,
He went.
elment,
She went.
elment,
It went.
ment,
You all went.
ti mentetek,
They went.
mentek,
To go.
menni,
Comedy mini dialogue. Listen in, then echo the punchlines like a pro. A. Yesterday, did you go to the store? B. Of course.
mentem,
A bold BA, and I forgot the list. Classic me. A. And Donnie? B.
elment,
Earlier, he said the bread waits for no one. A. How did the meeting go? B.
jól ment,
It went well, even the coffee machine applauded. A. Where were you all after the movie? B.
ti mentetek,
For pizza, and they.
mentek,
Home to nap. Priorities. Beat drill. Clap or tap your desk. Speak on the beat. Don't overthink, just groove. Beat 1 to 2, I went.
mentem,
Beat 1 to 2, you went.
mentél,
Beat 1 to 2, he went.
elment,
Beat 1 to 2, she went.
elment,
Beat 1 to 2, it went.
ment,
Beat 1 to 2, you all went.
ti mentetek,
Beat 1 to 2, they went.
mentek,
Bonus reset. To go.
menni,
Culture tip. Tiny prefix, big meaning. Here's a mini insight that makes you sound smarter instantly. Hungarian loves verb prefixes.
elment,
Adds the idea of went away, left, while bare.
ment,
Often just reports went. Example, he left the party.
elment,
A bulleral, it went well.
jól ment,
When in doubt about people leaving a place.
elment,
Is your safe, natural choice. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then check yourself after the pause. Translate, they went. Answer.
mentek,
Translate, you went, singular. Answer.
mentél,
Translate, I went. Answer.
mentem,
Translate, he went, he left. Answer.
elment,
Translate, it went well. Answer.
jól ment,
Translate, you, plural, went. Answer.
ti mentetek,
What's the base form of to go? Answer.
menni,
Your challenge. You've got this. Make it personal and funny. Say 3 true sentences about yesterday using
mentem, mentél,
and.
mentek.
Add one line about a person who left early. Use
Elment,
finish with how it went overall.
jól ment,
Or
nem ment.
optional. Shout the base form like a superhero.
Menni,
Then high-five the air. Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, your future self is high-fiving you right now. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these past forms in quick daily bursts. 5 minutes goes a long way. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, printables, and videos, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and until then, green light.
menni.